let's castling alongside bishop is a bishop. So I'm hoping to win this international master. After that, I'm going to create a lot of videos on YouTube. I win him and stuff like that. But in order to do that, I have to win the game. One plan is to play here, rook b8, try to attack him because I have this monstrous bishop. Try to create some problems there. Capturing, he will capture with the queen, so it's out of the question. What about this move, creating a lot of pressure in these pawns? Now I'm threatening to capture on b2, because I can play the other rook on b1, and let's try to keep this video for the highlights, right? Let's try to do something crazy for the highlights. I can see something like rook d3 maybe. He don't care about me, so let's sacrifice here. He will going to capture with a king. We're going to capture with a bishop, queen capture. No, capture there. The king will capture, check. The king should go on h1, so maybe it's not so dangerous. Maybe, but I have to do something. A threat, the king will recapture, and after that we have a check. Check with a rook, king b1, another check here, and I'm capturing his queen. Yeah, I saw a variation here. I don't know if it's working or not. I saw this, and he cannot go on b2 because I have this, and I'm capturing his queen. And not only his queen, but c3 as well. Wow, this is for the highlights. I like this in highlights because I think I managed to crash an international master like that. So we have this little check here. Let's capture this guy. Let's give another check here. And now I'm dancing in the position because he just sacrificed. He cannot capture the pawn. I'm not totally happy about that, but okay, let's play like this. My next move, he can capture here and play rook on d7. I was planning bishop d here, attacking the rook, and actually he cannot really connect his rook somehow and create some counterplay. So I think I managed to stabilize my position completely. I completely stabilized my position. Now I'm winning. I'm winning because I'm attacking his pawn. I can exchange one pair of rooks. Actually, one player create an article about that, about the, I don't know what he's dreaming now, what he's dreaming of, but this bishop on f6 is a nice defender, isn't it? Because you cannot create any troubles. Maybe I can double the rooks on the d file, rook d4 maybe. Scenario 1. Okay, you are threatening the rook. I'm not completely loser. I'll play here. I'm pinning that bishop. Okay, one move. He's threatening only the bishop, but right now he's running out of ideas. One other threat is to play something like b4 and attack that pawn, but okay, no problem. I can play very, very slowly because he don't have any counterplay at all. Yeah, he's playing defensive moves. Now maybe I can try to exchange rooks there, or I can play something like b4. You're not threatening anything, my friend. This is the problem. I don't know why he played like that. Let's capture the pawn on e4. This is a piece or not? No, it's not a piece. How to capture the pawn? Maybe like this, maybe, and this, and bishop to g6. Everything is completely protected, and I have totally winning position. But we can spoil the position very easily. In crazy positions like that, you can see we have a lot of pieces on the board, and we didn't win yet. He played that move. Let's try to annoy him as much as we can. Or this is not a good move actually, but I'm trying to repeat the position once, and I hope you know the Russian rule. And the Russian rule said repeat the position once. If you can do it, let's attack this guy first of all, the queen, not the guy, the lady. Let's attack the lady. And now let's attack the lady again, try to exchange some pieces. This is a nice defensive technique, always to exchange some pieces. By exchanging some pieces, we made things more difficult for him. I don't know why he's thinking so long. I think he doesn't have any trick. Capturing here, threatening checkmate. All right. And now let's control the files, maybe. I don't care about that. I can develop my pieces. Yeah, we can exchange this if you like. But I finalized my development. I have a very nice position. I didn't want to play d5. Or I can do it tactically. Play like this, d5, queen can capture, I can capture the knight. This is one idea. I don't know if Margaritis is like this idea or not. Now he allowed me to do that, and obviously I'm going to do it. d5 capture, capture. He cannot capture the knight because I'm going to capture there. I'm going to do it, and c3 is another problem. Yeah, c3 is another problem, my friends. So I blow up the position. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. And now your king is in the center of the board, and yeah, please don't remove your pieces because I'm creating threats. And what I played wrong? It's my fault or his fault? No, Margaritis, you are here. You are a better player, so give some advices. Not d5. This is what you mean, not d5. b6, perfect. Okay, we have the approval of the master. This is nice. This is nice. b6, I have little solid position, I think, but I don't know what to do next. He played that, so I'm going to move forward, or just exchange first. To exchange or not to exchange? This is the question. Paul, you can click the link, and by clicking the link you can, and after b6 I'm going to cry for sure. I'm going, now the rook is hanging, so I have to play that. My pieces was stacked in the center. What about this check? I think I blundered very badly. But this knight is hanging in so much time. The knight was hanging. So what we are doing actually, I don't know. We played like amateurs. It's not a virus, Margaritis. It's a pawn. It's a knight bot, and take the rook. Take the rook first was another choice, of course. What we're doing here. Oh, a lot of crazy stuff is happening. A lot of crazy stuff, right? I can take on where? I'm going to lose a piece, but one piece is okay. Hopefully not to lose two pieces, right? Losing two pieces will be too much. So let's capture there, or let's play knight f4. Knight f4. Too many options. Too many options. I'm losing this pawn b7. I don't know. I should analyze the positions again. You see, everything is complicated here. We have this very complicated position. Now we have the equal pieces. Actually, he cannot take on b2, on f2 at any point. I was thinking to capture on b1. Here I'm threatening g3. No, he cannot play g3. So I'm threatening g4, another very complicated position. This is on your level, my friend. It's much higher than mine. I think my best ELO rating was approximately, I didn't manage to have 2300. This is what I'm talking, because now I have to open the F line. But what he is doing, I don't know. It was extremely dangerous to capture there. I have only 13 seconds, so I have to do something quickly. Let's give a random check like that, like that. Yeah, let's give a random check. Okay, let's capture some material here, another material, a little more material here. I don't know if I'm doing something. This is another pawn. Let's collect all of the pawns. Let's spin his pieces. Spinning his pieces is always a good idea. And I might win that game as well. But who knows? My plan is h5, and after that bishop h6. I don't know if he can do much. Actually, I tied him down, and yeah, I think I'm winning. I was a little lucky there. I don't know what is his plan. Okay, let's play like this. I'm still threatening bishop h6. Okay, now I'm totally winning. Let's pre-move this, I think. It was a mate. I finally made the checkmate in a very crazy game. Very, very crazy game. Again, another very complicated King's Indian position. I'm trying to create some attack in the king's side. Of course, this is a check. Where shall I go? Maybe here. I'm not sure at all. I'm threatening his knight. And not only the knight, maybe I'm going to do this maneuver and hoping to do some tricks in the king's side, because I have little time now. f7 looks vulnerable, but I don't know what to do there. Your queen here, it looks vulnerable as well. To play rook here, he can capture. I can capture on d6. I can protect my pawn. Play like a chicken. But he has knight d3. No, he don't have knight d3. My plan maybe is rook a4 to kick away the queen. He just play like that. So what? And here maybe capture with the rook. Rook a4 again. And what about b6? Yeah, you can capture that. He captured with the rook. Obviously, he didn't see my threat here. Another crazy, totally crazy position. I don't know how that happened. Bishop c1. Okay, Margaritis, you agree. I'm sorry I didn't see your move. I just played that. And after that, we played it. Now we can capture more material. Okay, I think I have fantastic position. Not good, fantastic position. Suddenly, d6, I balling that pawn. Bishop is coming to the game, or bishop g4, or capturing here with, I can capture with many pieces. This is one of the pieces. He has some checks definitely. Let's play here. He has 92. Check. He has 92 here. He cannot play bishop e5 because I have a check and I can capture the bishop. Because this is the point. This, wow, very tactical. I'm just in time, but I didn't have time to calculate everything very accurately. This is check. He can capture the bishop. I can recapture, and he doesn't have any good discovery because I'm threatening the bishop. Whoa. Whoa. What a game. We have only 2 minutes. I started enjoying this stream and all of this stuff. Yeah. And he doesn't... Oh, this is a good discover check. I should be extremely careful. Let's attack his bishop once again.